federal issues, you said that you don't want to see a federal abortion ban, but you did sign a trigger law that would ban abortion in your state if and possibly when Roe v. Wade is overturned. That law does not provide exemptions for rape or incest. Do you think that that law should be revisited, and do you still want to go ahead with the law as signed if Roe v. Wade is overturned?
People wonder why I signed that law if I disagreed with not having the exceptions in there of rape and incest. And you have to understand, Arkansas, that a veto can be overridden by a simple majority. And so it's a weak veto, and there was overwhelming support in the legislature. I've always signed pro-life legislation, but I did make a statement at the time and put it in a letter form that historically, and I continue to support those exceptions of rape and incest. We're going to have to wait to see what the U.S. Supreme Court does. I know we anticipate it, but we don't know until they render a decision. And then we'll have to see if there's any additional action that's required by Arkansas General Assembly. But right now, we do have a trigger law, and that would be come into effect once the Supreme Court, if they do, reverse Roe versus Wade.
Mm-hmm. And do you believe that this issue should be left to the states, even if perhaps you pursue presidential campaign in 2024? Would you still want this to be a state level issue?
Well, it should be a state level issue. I mean, I've been pro-life all my political career. I've wanted to reduce abortions in this country, and the basis in which we fought that battle is Roe versus Wade should be reversed and the authority should be returned to the states, because Roe versus Wade was wrongly decided. And so to me, it would be contrary to that long-held belief to say, well, now let's make prohibitions, or let's do something at a national level. I expect this to be, if the Supreme Court rules against Roe versus Wade and gives the states the authority again, that there'll be a very vigorous debate in the different states, and states will come up with different conclusions, and that's how our founding fathers designed our Constitution when it comes to these kind of public health issues.
Mm-hmm.